India is bounded by the Yangfold Mountains in the northwest, north, and northeast. South of about 22° north latitude. You can see 22° of latitude, because the latitude express north south. 22° north latitudes, all the parts are young under Yangfold, northeast and northwest. It begins to taper and extend towards the Indian Ocean. It begins to taper. Taper meaning V shape. You can see India's shape. Taper. According to the world map, it's the external part of our country. After 22° north latitude, it begins to taper and extend towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal on its east. Look at the figure 1.3 and note that the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of mainland is about 30°. Longitudinal and latitudinal extent 30°. The difference between the longitudinal and latitudinal extent is 30°. But despite this fact, appears to be east and west extents appears to be smaller than north and south extent, because the north and south extent 3 to 14 km and east to west extent 2933 km. But latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30°. Despite this, the fact that east and west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. Both degrees are same, but extent are different. That's why we say that the east and west extent appears to be smaller than the north and south extent. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, there is time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India. Standard meridian, look at the map of India, figure 1.3. Standard meridian of India, 82° 30 east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences duration of the day and night as one moves from the north to south. Because sun rises in the east and Arunachal Pradesh is easternmost state Arunachal Pradesh, and earth take 4 minutes to complete 1 degree. There is distance of 30° from east to west. So, So 4 into 30 is equal to 120 minutes. 30°, 4 minutes. 4 into 30, 120 minutes equal to 2 hours. 60 minutes, 120 minutes equal to 2 hours. So, sun takes 2 hours to appear in Gujarat. Gujarat from Arunachal Pradesh. Therefore, sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh and 2 hours later in Gujarat. But watches show same time. Watches show same time due to standard meridian of India, which cuts India into equal parts. Because 82 degree 30 minutes easily divisible by 7 degree 30 minutes, which is India's Greenwich Mean Time. According to the Greenwich Mean Time, India's watch is set up 82 degree 30 times जो है, according to this it is setted. That's why it's adopted and our watches shows same time in whole country. Is that clear to all of you? Thank you.